What's up, fam? It's your boy Vic. We're back at it with another banger, and hope you guys are doing well. Today we are at, what is it called? It's Hot Wheels Legend Store. I had a little brain freeze just a minute ago, and we're gonna get some Hot Wheels, check out some dope whips, and obviously at Walmart as last year, which I'll put the video up above there, the link, so you guys may watch that. But we're gonna check out these dope Hot Wheels, hopefully secure the bag with the bros and sis. So let's get to it. We up in Walmart, fam. Everybody here. Hella folks trying to get Hot Wheels right here. Crazy. These folks don't stop. They've been up in here probably since 6 in the morning. They going in. Just this one aisle's open. They're about to smash it. Crazy, bro. Look at this. Last year definitely got wild with these Hot Wheels. Folks were just pushing. You guys can see that video. I'll put the link up top. But this is always exciting to even come to because you see so many grown folks just wilding over some simple toy. But we here for the bag and we're gonna secure it for sure. So far we're starting out well. Go securing the bag.
Oh, you got these, yeah.
Nice.
Mostly.
Hey, you got some Preludes in this.
I don't know what this is. They look dope.
Yeah, they look pretty hard.
I don't know if I'm gonna take it, but yeah.
Yeah. Debatables. They look dope.
Mm-hmm.
Any of the other big ballers were in there?
Nah, they all went to the boulevards first.
Dang, 30 minutes later,
It's the one that has the 3 things in it. But they're all
Bends out. Folks is trying to scoot up on them. They gangers, you can see the vibes. People just going wow. Oh no, they're about to go in. Kids section only.
Alright, they're open, go ahead.
There they go. They're there. Brothers in there somewhere, guys, too. He lost. Just wow. Yeah, they just opened their digging, fam. Just grown adults and kids as well, but they're getting snatched up like it's cookies, fam. Definitely a lot calmer this year. Now they're just chilling, everything's kind of dead, nothing really good. Well, we didn't secure much, fam, but this is all we got because everything else is trash. But we did spend the 25 bucks that you need to spend to get this Zamac Hot Wheel. Put some oil for the whip. Well, fam, that was low-key whack, but we're gonna come out here and check out the whips now. Kind of excited, dang, too much sun. But yeah. A bunch of old stuff apparently, so we did not get too much, but from what we got some good stuff for what we like. But we're gonna go check out the rest of these whips that are actually dope. We've seen a bunch of nice ones that came in, a bunch of NSXs, just dope imports, so we're gonna go check it out. Got the whole setup strong outside, you guys see it, the heat wheels. And this is dope, got the little kids racing. That's cool, I like this. Definitely go a whole lot better this year with the events things. There's a whole lot of people here though, for sure. Easy. So we get that little thing right there. We paid 25 bucks for. About to secure it real quick. Secured it. Got a little water bottle and some, I guess a towel or something like that. What is it, a Pontiac? Thing's clean, bro. 25 bucks. Look at all these whips, fam. This thing crazy right here. The front end on this, wow. Damn, look at that. Jack Daniels detail for sure. Got this NSX mad clean. Yeah, they definitely showed out this year for sure. Car show wise, way better than the actual Hot Wheels that were in there. Tragedies. But other than that, this thing's fly right here. A gray NSX, red interior. You got some Recaros in this thing. No, Recaro's seatbelts. Probably not Recaro. Shit, dang, man. I like it. Oh, let's see the motor. Jeez, beautiful. I definitely want one. And they got these cool displays this year. All the RLCs, which are red line clubs for anybody that doesn't know. I like the truck. We just bought that. Dang, these are all the ones I collect for the most part. These things hard. Look at this. Sheesh. Look at that. Ooh, the S2000 clean. We got that one recently. And that one. And a bunch of Lamborghinis. We got all those. That BMW right there is mad clean. Oh, they got some more heat wheels up in here, set up strong. I guess he might be the new ones, huh? That FRS look crazy. Damn, that thing nice. Oh, the Supra.
That's the case.
Huh? Oh, that's the case in there. Damn, that thing's clean. That's cool. I got some more setups right there. Look at that. Everybody look out for. Here's a line here for the S2000 that you guys can kind of see there. The little keychain as well. Look at that thing. Clean. 35 bucks. We got like 4 of these bad boys. So y'all hit us up for them. Y'all need them. Dang, that line's long. My little sister and then my brother got him. Gucci said was Gucci. Westside. Got that NSX looking mad clean with the bell wide kit. Super clean. I love seeing this thing. This thing's nasty with the rays. Woo, sheesh. There's a little thing again where you put up the car. They can think you're a Hot Wheel or something. It is hella windy, so hopefully you guys can hear me with all this wind happening. But there's so many dope cars out here today that it's gonna be a blast for sure. I don't know what kind of van this is, but this thing is absolutely wild. Dang, you can get in? Oh, snap. What's going on in there? Whole party, bruh? It's a party bus, Gucci. Sheesh, that thing clean. Oh, they got lowriders? Dang, Charlie fool. Can't get a good picture of this thing, so I'm just gonna slide in here and check this thing out. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Dang, that thing is so clean. Scoob. This thing is so sick. Little truck as well. This one right here, though. This one's nice. This one's really well built. I like that. That thing is shining. Bottom end looking decent. Dope as free. I knew this guy was coming. I saw him on the highway. Dang, that thing. Lowrider for sure. I want one. Sick. Oh, look at this though. Dang, what the freak. This is gnarly. Oh, the hydraulic system.
Yeah, well, a lot of the hydraulic cars.
Sheesh. Crazy setup. It's attached. Dang, it's double tap. Ooh, dang, this thing. Wow. Oh yeah, this is a W for sure. Hopefully he wins. Look at this. He the hydro controls. Yeah, and he got a nice little schmoter in it. This thing is absolutely crazy. For real though, on my level, I would personally love to have a hydraulic whip, something that low, or at least bagged. But I would definitely love to create one of those because the detail that those things come in is absolutely amazing, and the immaculate paint job on those, like $15,000 plus on just a paint job, on like some serious ones though. So that thing is just dope. So maybe one day, you know, if y'all ever see a lowrider on here, just know I warned y'all here. Damn, I'm definitely not a I don't have much knowledge on this old school whips, but this boy rolling. Look at this. Sheesh. And then he got this attached to the back. If you really pulling this, my boy, props to you, my dog. You got it going on. Super immaculate, clean, beautiful. This thing right here is crazy.
Did you get all the Porsches in here?
Nah, man. There wasn't much in there.
That's what I hear, man.
Yep. This thing is crazy. A wide body Ferrari Liberty Walk. It's immaculate for sure. The interior, stalled, but it's clean. It's clean. It's clean. Wow, the little highway's got out there is gonna burn. The carpet looks like it's fresh. Like it hasn't been driven at all. I like it though for sure. Hot Wheel enthusiasts that do follow me, can't forget about y'all. You know, gotta look at the ones that have actually been made into Hot Wheels. This guy, a little Camaro here, mad dope for sure. I got a Hot Wheel of my own. You know, the little Integra that I have. This thing as well has been a Hot Wheel. That's the gas monkey one, or I don't know why they call it that, but this thing's crazy too. They changed the vinyl on this one. It's got a different look to it. Just clean though, as always, man. Cool little whip. Got the surfboards in the back. Same as last year, but you guys can watch that video if you wish. This thing's pretty clean. And they got this one. I think this is a bone crusher or something, bone shaker. This thing's mad clean too. And I gotta get it from the Hot Wheels, folks. Let me see. Bone shaker. Yep, got it. 2011. Super sick. Definitely interesting of a whip. Well, everybody's covered another one, but here we got the Fast X Chevy Impala that was on it with I can't remember what's his name was driving it. This thing is so mint though. So dope. And then the one Han was driving, this one right here, Romero. Oh, excuse me, you're good. This thing's pretty clean. Definitely wasn't as fast as they made it to look off the movie, but definitely a dope car. This thing's pretty crazy right here. 2 motors. We got this set up right here. Check out this whip right here. Hella respect to this guy with that paint job. Interior, absolutely just flawless. I mean, look at this. The motor work, that is humongous. Wheels is mad clean. This thing is just a beaut. Sweet EK9. This thing is extremely clean. This thing is a beauty. Got the Recaros in this thing. Right hand drive. Dang, he stripped it out in the back. Gutted. Sheesh. Extremely, man. Hopefully it's legit. This thing's nice. That's that one with the big wheels in the back. That thing, wow. Look at that. 2JZ. That thing, immaculate. Big old turbo. Sheesh. That thing crazy. Big boy power. Got some mint Lamborghinis out here. This thing is, the color, it's mad dope. This thing is beautiful. I love it. And they got this Ferrari. Sheesh. Super, super clean. The other Lamborghini, this thing is, oh, it's the STO Lambo. Dang, this thing is sick and aggressive as free. Sheesh. That's hard, bruh. That boy zooming. All I gotta say though is that the Hot Wheels that were put out, mainline and stuff, definitely disappointed. But the cars that came out to the event definitely did not disappoint. More than last time, more cars that I actually like and more interested in. Other than that, everything else, you know what I'm saying? But the cars, real life cars, dope. It's free, without a doubt. And it's Popo back here, that thing clean. I only said that so I'm gonna get a ticket. It ain't that clean. But anyways, folks, that is it for this banger. I do appreciate you guys watching. And who knows what's next, but you guys need to stay tuned for sure. Make sure you like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I do appreciate the mass support. We're about to take off in the minivan because that's the fast whip for show. So we catch you guys on the flip. Stay tuned. Deuces.